Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to do the reverse ink drop in this jar mold. I've got orange of my alcohol ink. I'm just hoping I have enough resin. I've only made up 1 cup. Let me spray the alcohol down at the bottom so that if there's any bubbles, hopefully they'll get... Come on. This has not been my day. Hopefully if there's any bubbles down there, they'll get popped. Oops. Okay, that's enough orange and some red. Just a little bit of red. And some blue. And I've already shaken them up before I signed on. Anytime you do this, make sure you don't leave it on there very long. And always want your resin mixed up before you do this. Because if you don't, it won't work. Woohoo! Let's go ahead and squeeze the bottom a little bit. Get those bubbles out of the bottom. I don't want to stick my stick down there because it'll make it messed up. Let's let that sit there and do its thing. I might have enough. I don't know. We'll see. If I don't, we'll figure it out. I guess I should have sprayed down here too, because it's got threads in it. If I had thought about it, I would have done it ahead of time. You ever had one of those days? Okay. I got it all over me. Let's try this again. A little more red. And some blue. Looks like I'm going to have just enough. Oh. Looks like there's going to be just enough resin for that. Just gently squeeze it a little bit underneath. Try not to spill it. We'll let this sit and cure overnight, and I'll be back to you when it's ready to demold. Okay, it's demolding day. Let's go ahead and try to get this demolded. I'm just going to try now to spray it, get some of that broke, because I can tell already it's going to be fun. Be careful around these sharp edges right here. The best way to do this one is to roll these down. There we go. And then break the suction in there if you can. The best way to do that is grab here, twist, and pull. Always put your molds back together once you're done. see what this looks like. Ooh, that looks pretty. And I don't have any bubbles. Oh, goodness gracious. I don't have any bubbles in there. That's the one place I always get my bubbles. Lay you there. Pop this off. Fix this. And back together. Oh, I did it. No bubbles. I was checking to see if I have any bubbles in there, and I don't. Oh, look how pretty this turned out. Oh, look at that. That looks good. I'm going to ask this is my daughter's. What we use these for, believe it or not, is Q-tip holders. These are perfect size to put regular Q-tips right in here like that. You always set them in here and use them for whatever. Leave it in the bathroom. I'm going to see if my daughter wants me to bling any of this stuff up because it's kind of dark up in through here. But wow, that looks really good. Look at all that. That red turned out beautiful. I think the orange turned a little brown. Then the blue. Wow. Well, that works. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much. If you're not, why not? It doesn't cost anything. If you hit that notification button, it'll tell you when I'm uploading. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.